Well, hello, welcome to the brain dump. I'm not sure how noisy it is, so I'll tuck my head down, which will probably sound stupid, but I'm doing a mic test. Well, not sound stupid, but look stupid maybe. But yeah, I thought I'd say hello and give you some good news. That good news is I've finished my move. And everything is sorted. Look at a nod. Yep. Ding. Awesome. Anyway, so yeah, the move's sorted, and all systems are go. And hopefully I'll put the camera on the right way this time. And I'm not sure about the sound. I think I'll probably still sound muffled, but I've got a plan for that, which I will sort after this test ride with the camera and mic set up. So I'm trying to stay fairly slow and tucked in a little bit so there's not too much wind noise. Now the purpose of this vlog is to say hello, of course. Hello. But also to let you know that obviously we're all systems go again. The brain dump is getting back in action. I'm attaching the camera now when I go out on the bike, so I can talk to you guys and girls and spread the word again of Riding Invisible, of course, along with D.I.Y and all that good stuff that everyone was been asking me for, and I've not obviously been able to do due to my circumstances. Well, now that we're all systems go. Oh, and I thought I'd take it across the new bridge, by the way, as well, whilst we're doing this little chat. Which you'll see very shortly. It's called the Mersey Gateway, and on a bike it's free, so we'll show you that as well whilst I talk. So yeah, that said, and with the channel coming back online properly now, we will start to see more stuff coming. I'd like to go and do some hangouts actually, now that I'm sorted. It'd be nice to sit down and have a chat with all my buddies that I've not spoke to for ages. So look out for that. But also, what I wanted is some content suggestions from yourselves, especially around DIY. Any DIY or safety vlog requests, let me know down below, and I will start putting together a list of things for me to record. Right, I'm just going to go quiet for a minute and let you have a little peek over the side, because I'm sure it'll be windy as hell with a microphone right now. But I'll just show you the new Mersey. That's the old bridge over there. It's not the new Mersey, it's the new Mersey Gateway Bridge, of course. Not the Mersey, it's been here for ages. Anyway, we'll go across the other way as well. I just thought I'd show you that. That's the bridge that I used to go across over there. Don't know if you can see it. You might get a better look on the way back across, but I just thought I'd show you that whilst doing this little vlog. Right, so yeah, so I would like any suggestions. I know a popular one I had was to do I think it's chain adjustment was one of the DIY ones, some simple stuff like that. So yeah, let me know any DIY requests. Now I don't have the MT09 anymore, I know, it's a shame, so I can't do specific stuff on the MT09 at the moment, unless of course someone wants to give me their MT09, and then I can, and that goes for any other bike for that matter. But at the moment the only bike I have is my trusty beast, which I will always have. So Hayabusa DIY, of course, is always I can accommodate Hayabusa DIY for sure. I'll stop at the traffic lights just because I can, and I can talk to you about them. So any DIY stuff, yeah, let me know. Any safety stuff, let me know. I will be banging on again about Ride Invisible, and also I've kept my stock of Ride Invisible wristbands, and if you want one, let me know, and I will send you one for free. That's right, diddly squat, cost you nothing. So let me know. Obviously, if you want it posted a gazillion miles away, postage help would be appreciated, but basically they're free. Let me know. Now the easiest way for me to give them away free, of course, is to meet in person, and I can just give you them out of my hand. And for that, of course, we'd probably have to meet up somewhere, wouldn't we? So one of the other things I want to do is do a Ride Invisible ride out, and I think I'll talk about that in my next vlog, because this one's probably gone on long enough already. But yes, I want to do a Ride Invisible ride out where we can all go for a little ride, promoting Ride Invisible. And I will I'll do a separate vlog on that. I'm conscious this one's gone on a bit already. This one's just a quick hello, let me know what sort of content you would like, and I'll see what I can do. Alrighty, right, I'll leave you with another view of the Mersey from the Mersey Gateway, and I'll catch you again very soon. So I'll just tuck down because I'm conscious of the wind. It wasn't me, officer. Yeah, so before I disappear and leave you the view of the bridge, don't forget, ride safe, ride invisible. Love you, bye. That's the old bridge, repairing that and it'll be back open. Power station, and this is the Mersey Gateway, free for bikes. And I've got a van charging up the backside. There we go. Like a boss.